Hey everybody, this is Tim from LCB. We've got a personal box here. 2016 Bowman Chrome Baseball Vending. This is for Edward. Good luck, Eddie. He's on the YouTube Live chat. Vending boxes are quick. 4 jumbo packs. There's going to be 3 autos in there. And one pack will have 2 black and gold refractors. I believe 1 box, Nate. Let me double check. That might be an error, but I believe I have 1 box. I'll check for you in a second. Oh, hold on a second. Let me get that out of the way for you, dude. Okay, we got your Chrome. Ed, you want all the base, or do you not take the base? Let me know if you don't. No worries if you do. It's all included. Because some guys don't like to bog down the storage boxes. Your first auto is Yudi Garcia. That's a refractor auto. There you go. Yudi, and that is 314 out of 499. 314 out of 499 on the Yudi Garcia. And there's your other base. Pack 2. Take it all? Perfect. That makes it easier for me because I don't have to sort through it. You got a Seager rookie in there. You got a blue Chrome. Black and gold Josh Hader. The blue is an auto. Mike Gerber. Mike Gerber blue first Bowman auto. Detroit Tigers prospect. 137 out of 150 on the Gerber. Very nice. And there's your base. You got 1 autograph left. And then the pack with the 2 black golds. That's your last auto. So we'll do this pack. Sometimes you get a bonus refractor after the 2 black golds. Sometimes you don't. Let's see what you got. Alright, black and golds are Paulino and that kid for the Brewers. And you got no bonus refractor. Boo, tops. Just a whole bunch of base first Bowmans. Alright, here is your last pack with the auto on the bottom. There's the Dawson. Here's your base. Lopez rookie, Owens, Schwarber, and A-Rod. Your tops 100s are Jerome and O'Neill. Your black gold is Jacob Nottingham, and your last auto is a Philly, Cornelius Randolph. There you go, man. You're a Phillies fan. That's another one of your higher rated prospects. Cornelius Randolph. Little streaky on the auto. Not the best, but also not the worst. Could still squeeze a 10 out of that. Let me get your other 2 autos sleeved. And anybody else open for personals, just let me know, guys. We've got all sorts of stuff in stock. Okay, Ed, let me save that video.